Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make chapati with the layers. So let's get to the video. So make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that every time I post a new video you'll be notified. So we start by putting 3 cups of flour. So that one's the first one. The second one. Then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. There you go. Then we are going to mix them together with a spatula, which is going to take like a minute. And then here is 1 cup of warm milk. Warm water. So we are going to pour here. As we mix. So here is where I'm going to rinse my hands and then mix the dough. Since we don't have a dough mixer, we are going to use our hands. Make sure your hands are clean when doing this process. So I'm going to use my hands to mix them. We are going to mix the dough until it becomes sticky. We are almost there, so let's continue. So our dough is ready. It will be sticky, but don't be tempted to add more flour. So we are going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. So this is my spoon. I'm going to add there you go. So we mix our mixture properly with the So this is our mixture. We are going to leave it for 10 minutes. And then we are covering it so that we come and continue after 10 minutes. We do the next process. So after 10 minutes, we take our dough. We transfer it into our working space area. Here. So we are going to divide it. So we are in this recipe, we are going to get 8 to 9 chapatis. So we cut them into small pieces. This way. Then now we are going to use our hands to make the small circle shape. So we are going to use our hand, then we so this is our first ball. We are going to put it aside. We take another chunk of flour. We are going to repeat the same process to all of them. So here is the flour I'm using to roll them. So as we have gotten 8 of them, 8, so we are going to roll it. So the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to take the dough, put some flour, then we are going to roll it in an oval shape. Make sure you put enough flour so that the dough does not stick on the surface area. So the next step, you are going to spread some cooking oil, vegetable oil. Then we are going to roll it inward. No, first we are going to spread the vegetable oil. Then we spread it. We are going to fold it inward. That way, and then we are going to knock it on the surface like this for it to become long. That way, and then we are going to take one end and roll it into a cycle this way. This way. So we are going to do it the same process to all of them. So after rolling and putting some cooking oil, this is how it has turned out. So let's get to the next step. So we are rolling our dough into cycles. So this is how our chapo turned out. It has 4 layers, as you can see here.